Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to remove a copyright claim on YouTube in 2026. So if your video has a claim that's affecting monetization or blocking views, yeah, there are a few safe ways to fix it. First, open YouTube in your browser and sign in to your account. Then click your profile picture and select YouTube Studio. Once inside, click the Content tab from the left side menu. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored. Now look for the video with a copyright claim in the restrictions column, then click it to open details. Scroll down to the copyright section and click See Details to view the claim information. First option, trim out the claimed segment. This removes the copyrighted part without deleting the entire video. If the claim is from music, you can replace the song using YouTube's built-in audio replacement tool. If you believe the claim is incorrect, you can click Dispute and submit your reason to YouTube. Sometimes claims are automatically released over time if the copyright owner removes them or updates their system. After making changes, go back and check if the claim is removed or updated in the restrictions section. And always use copyright-free music and footage to avoid claims in the first place. So yeah, that's how to remove a copyright claim on YouTube in 2026. With the right tools, most claims can be fixed without deleting your video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.